my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. An indecisive spinning top on Friday, but one that could also be seen as a bearish harami. The market remained, as it has for the latter part of last week, caught in between supports and resistances, mainly the cap of the combination of the short-medium moving average, currently at 74.01, as well as the twin resistances of the 50% absolute Fibonacci line at 73.73 and the May 2019 high at 73.38. While below we have the support from the congestion zone between 71.29 to 72.29, containing various lows, some historical, but also the bright red neckline currently at 71.75 of the recent September to November head and shoulders pattern, which I had started to assume was a head and shoulders continuation pattern, but which now has some tiny seeds of doubt. This head and shoulders pattern has been pushing the technical analysis window, envelope if you like, quite hard, as it just happens to be in the wrong place, and I know some might discount it or even ignore it completely and regard the action instead as a possible quad bottom. It would not be beyond the realms of reason to consider the market perhaps getting continually squeezed between the overhead dark blue middle tine and the bright red neckline below. Now, so far today, a lower changeover open within the 71.29 to 72.29 congestion support zone and dipping down to the bright red neckline before a move back up over and out of the 71.29 to 72.29 congestion zone, though not by much. Spot gold. A fourth bullish white soldier on Friday, with prices moving up to the prospective upper time, currently at 26.56, of the newly drawn late October to late November bearish Andrews pitchfork, as well as what is turning out to be the significant, for now at least, significant rising short medium moving average, currently at 26.64. Overhead we have the September 2024 high at 26.85, whilst below we have the combination of the bright red lower time for the early September to mid-November bullish Andrews pitchfork, currently at 25.85, plus the rising medium moving average, currently at 25.76, and just below those the significant dark blue upper trend line, currently 25.59, of the April to September broadening top pattern. Now, so far today, a reactionary move lower, away from the newly drawn bearish upper time, but not too far as yet, and looking a little bit like a possible bearish engulfing pattern, if only just.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.